How do you pronounce the name of this American business magazine? We'll be looking at how to say more brand names like this one. Too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned to learn more. So let's break down the pronunciation. There are two slightly different pronunciations depending on, the accent, I guess, in English. In British English in the UK, it's said as Forbes. Forbes, that's your top phonetic spelling right here. In American English, it's more the bottom spelling here. The Americans in the US say it as Forbes. Forbes being an American magazine, arguably that's how you should pronounce it. Forbes or Forbes. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. Thanks for that and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.